this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. We've got this Maruchan. This is, what do you call it? It's noodles. This is a yakisoba. It's a fried rice flavor yakisoba with a soup that you can put in a little bowl and have it with it. Think of that. That's something I've seen quite a few times in Taiwanese varieties, but I don't think I've ever seen that happening in a Japanese variety, so that's kind of neat. So let's add our... Oh, wait a second. We've got bits we need to add in here. I don't know who keeps messaging me. Actually, I think I know what that might be. It's either my buddy Jamie or it is the Kenmore Power Outages group. What is that? Why is there a group about Kenmore Power Outages, and what do you have to do with it, Ramen Raider guy? Well, I'll tell you. So a while back, we had tons and tons and tons of power outages. We're on something called Circuit 26. And it was a nightmare, a veritable nightmare. And power would be like, oh man, it's such a nice sunny day. There's no breeze. It's so calm. God, I hope the power doesn't go out. I mean, it was bad. It was really bad. And, yeah. So, I started a small group. I ended up having a news crew come over here, and they found a video that I did while the power was out. With the kids were going like, meh, it's no fun, meh. And they loved that, so. But that helped foment change. And now we've got power here. A lot of people don't have power right now, but we ended up getting all this wet snow. It hit trees, got a little bit of a breeze going on. Of course, the condensation with the humidity added more weight to it. So you got snapped trees, downing power lines. I think the last time I looked, there was like 30,000 people without power. No windstorm down here. Up north, like where I grew up in Anacortes, they were getting hurricane force winds, which is like crazy. But what do? You just have to do what you do, I guess. That's my... Why are there so many plastic forks? Are these Paw Patrol forks? Yeah, we have all these plastic Paw Patrol forks. My son is really into Paw Patrol. Look, there's a swirl fork. And yes, it does feel really weird in your mouth. And then my daughter brought this home from school. That's weird. Yeah. And a Pikachu spoon. Pika spoon. I was in the drawer for a reason. I guess I just need a regular fork. And there's that. Ka-chow. Ka-chow. And I need a measuring cup because I need 160 milliliters of water. Is that 160? Or is it 150? I think it's 150. Yeah. But we've got two, one, and... So we'll put you right there. No, don't do things. So let's see. I need this, and I need this. So I've got to drain the noodle. But first, I want to get the liquid because we're going to make this little soupy soup. There we go. So I will steal some liquid out of here. Let's see. It mentions it'll make it better if you use that liquid. Boy, there's not a lot to get out of here, is there? There's a lot. I want it to have the correct amount. If I don't, things will not work well. Maybe it makes... We're getting there. Yeah, we got to get up to there. Okay. I don't want any noodle. I just want liquid that would be drained off. Nah. Yeah, people are chatting about the lack of power and complaining about how long it takes for them to get the power. They want the power now. They'll get it. It'll be okay. 20 more mils. There. So there is our, what's going to be our soup. I'm going to drain this. Bing, 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 bing. So worried about when the power is going to be back on. There's a tree down. We don't have power in this area. We don't have power in this area. I guarantee you that's what's going on. That's fine. That's what the group's for, really, is so people can, like, share info. There was some people talking about, like, trees down in certain specific areas to avoid, and asking each other about the road conditions. The roads have generally been pretty good because it's just like slush. It's not freezing. In fact, I'm gonna guess right about now it's about 40 degrees, which is pretty mellow. Come on. Yep. So we'll go like this. There we go. So there is going to be our sippy soup for our sippy time. It's a it's a bottle, so it's kind of like a sippy thing. So here's our yakisoba. There's our liquid that's going in this yakisoba. I don't know how crazy I'm going to go with this yakisoba. So fried rice flavored yakisoba. I'm neither here nor there on this one. It does look like there's some decent bits and pieces in here. It's not a very dark sauce, which kind of bums me out. It kind of looks more like chow mein. Chow mein. All right. We'll try it. It's a food. Not entirely enthused. Not horrified. Not feeling crippling depression from it. But not feeling like this would be something I'd seek out by any stretch of the imagination. It's kind of inhibiting my ability to imagine things. Not really. I'm being silly. I'm more curious about this soup. I got some chashu, which of course warrants the use of a blowtorch. And I'm going to use some spring onion. Do I want to use mung bean sprouts on this? It already looks way wrong. Sesame seed. I haven't seen any more powered flashes here. We saw one last night that was coming from when we looked down the southward, and it looks pretty crazy. A bit of shichimi. So there's that. Yeah, not horrible, but not wonderful. Here is our soupy soup. Looks combined to me. So we'll serve it in this. Enough of that. I will give this a taste. Basically just a really salty broth is what I'm getting from that. Now here's the clincher. So I just tasted that. Now I'm gonna taste this. Because that's what I've found more often than not is the deal. They have to work in tandem. I don't know, folks. It just doesn't really. It's not hitting the mark for me. A little bit of sesame seed in there, pretty it up a bit, but yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go take pictures of this, and the next one, I guess it'll be the next one you see. Maybe not. Yeah, I'll have to figure that one out. But anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment your noodles each and every day. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and yeah, groovy. All right, bye.